Hello everyone, today I will show you how to insert a blank page into a PDF file using PDF-XChange Editor. Open your PDF file with PDF-XChange Editor. Now select Home option and select this Page Thumbnail option and click here and click right button. Now you will find this Insert Pages option. Now click on this Empty Pages option. Now you can insert standard page. Also you can add as like this document page wide and height, this is, and insert page. I'll insert page number on and first page after first page in this page. Now select OK and see this blank page now inserted after first page. Also you can insert blank page, click this organize option. Also here you will find this insert option. Now select insert pages and this is empty pages option. I will insert two pages as like this page. Also you can change that page, you can add custom page and add this document page size and two pages and last page, this document last page and after two pages. Now select OK and scroll down and see this two blank pages now inserted after this document. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.